How much does it cost to rent a car? You're likely to rent a car at some time, whether it's because you're going on vacation or a road trip and want the independence and convenience of wheels while exploring, or because you need a car to test drive before selecting which one to buy. If you've recently leased a car, you're aware that rates are far higher than they were before the epidemic. From July 2019 to July 2022, rental car rates are thought to have increased by close to 50%. Although prices have gradually decreased recently, they are still significantly higher than the pre-pandemic standard. So, let's learn how much does it cost to rent a car. When renting a car for a vacation versus a business trip, the excitement and cost are significantly different. In light of the fact that travel costs have increased for both leisure and work-related travel, it is crucial to take into account where these differences lie. According to a recent Bankrate survey, 79% of people who have traveled for work or pleasure have experienced problems. Unsurprisingly, expensive prices were the most frequently mentioned issue. When renting a car for business, you probably only need space for yourself, whereas if you are going on a family vacation, you may have to spend extra for a larger vehicle. Various factors, such as the rental business, the automobile type, and the location, affect the anticipated cost of renting a car. Hopper, a travel service, estimates that the average cost in mid-October 2022 was roughly $81 per day. Prices change in response to supply and demand, just like with other goods and services. Instead of renting a car from the airport, many travelers choose locations closer to the city's heart. Rental rates in tourist hotspots may be cheaper than in other places due to increased competition. However, they could charge more during busy times of the year when demand is high. The cost increases with the age of the driver. Young drivers are considered to be riskier by rental vehicle companies and insurance companies because they have less driving experience. Young drivers are likely to incur additional costs, which, depending on the region, might range from $40 to $65 per day. It is advisable to let the oldest person in the group apply for the rental automobile if you are a young party that needs one. However, not all rental companies levy these fees. Consider both the daily fee and any additional costs when choosing a rental company. The size and category of the car or truck determine how much the daily rental charge will typically increase. However, occasionally rental firms will provide discounts on specific types of automobiles, particularly if they have a large supply on hand. Use rental car loyalty programs. If a loyalty program is offered by the rental vehicle company you want to use, take it into consideration. If you frequently rent, this could save you money. For instance, Hertz Gold Plus Rewards enables you to accumulate free rental days and upgrades. Similar to this, the Preferred program from Avis lets you earn points toward free rentals. Book early. By making a reservation in advance, you can receive the perfect vehicle, skip the line, and possibly even save money. This is especially crucial if you plan to travel during a significant holiday. Avoid renting a car close to the airport. The price of renting a car at the airport is more than at an off-site location. This is so that the rental vehicle firm can pass on to the customer airport taxes like an airport concession fee and the customer facility fee. Check in periodically and rebook your rental car if prices drop. As was previously said, booking a rental car long in advance usually results in a lower price. However, the cost of renting an automobile can change over time. Booking a car in advance with a reservation you can cancel without incurring fees is thus one way to save money. Then, keep an eye on the price in the days and weeks preceding your departure date and rebook if necessary. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.